Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. In this episode, we're going to learn two very common English idioms. The first one is pull one's leg, and the second is beat around the bush. Let's dive in. We start with pull one's leg. This phrase means to tease or joke with someone, often by telling them something untrue. It's usually done in a lighthearted and friendly way. For example, you could say, "He said he won the lottery, but I think he was just pulling my leg." Now, let's listen to a short conversation between Clara and Daniel to see how this idiom is used in a natural setting.
Daniel, guess what? I'm moving to Antarctica to study penguins next month.
Antarctica? Seriously? You always say you can't stand the cold. Wait a minute. Are you pulling my leg?
Got you. Yes, I was just pulling your leg. I'm actually just going to the new penguin exhibit at the city zoo this weekend.
Oh, you really had me going there for a second.
All right, let's move on to our second idiom, beat around the bush. This idiom means to avoid talking about what is important or to delay getting to the main point of a conversation. It's like someone is talking about things around the main topic, but not the topic itself directly. For example, stop beating around the bush and tell me what you really want. Let's hear how Clara and Daniel use this idiom in their conversation.
Hi, Clara. So, about that conference I mentioned I have in London next week? Well, there's a small situation with Fluffy needing someone to look after him while I'm gone.
I see. You sound a bit worried. What's up? Don't beat around the bush, Daniel. Just tell me what you need.
Okay, you're right. I was beating around the bush a bit. The thing is, would you possibly be able to look after Fluffy for the 5 days I'm away? I know it's a big ask.
Fluffy? Of course. I'd love to have him over. Consider it done. And honestly, it wasn't so hard to ask directly, was it? I'm happy to help.
And that's a wrap for today's episode of Everyday Idioms. We learned two useful phrases, pull one's leg, which means to joke with someone, and beat around the bush, which means to avoid the main point. Try using them in your own conversations this week. We'd love to hear your examples. Share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to English Tidbits for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.